Hey, my name is Paul, this is No Nonsense Cocktails, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a White Russian. I'm also going to tell you the origin story of the White Russian. The White Russian was invented by an Irishman named Barry White. Barry was one of the busiest people you'll ever meet, so anytime you would come across him, he was always rushing, he was always in a hurry. You could never stay out with him for too long. So I'm in a pub with Barry, and he's about to start his second job. He's working 3 jobs at the time. So he's just finished one, he's come in for a drink with me, then he's rushing off to the other. Now, you may think Barry's father is a big rhythm and blues fan. He is. He absolutely loves Stevie Wonder. But anyway, this is the scenario. We're in the drink and Barry orders at the bar, and the barman says, "What are you having, Barry?" He says, "Anything, I'm Russian." So with that, doesn't he get the phone call to go off and he has to leave, and the barman comes back with the drink. So Barry's gone. The local slops scoffer comes in. Now, for anyone who doesn't know what a slops scoffer is, that's the gentleman who walks around the pub saying, "Who owns that drink? Whose drink is that? Is that your drink?" His name is Paul. It's a different Paul, it's not me. Might have been me. For the sake of this story, we'll say it wasn't me. So, Barry's gone, and the slops scoffer asks the barman, "Whose drink is that?" And the barman says, "Oh, it's White's, he was Russian." White Russian? And so was born, in Ireland, the White Russian. Here's how it's made. First of all, you will fill your glass with ice. Again, I have one big thick lump here, so that'll keep it nice and chilled. And we're going to use a shot of vodka, which is 45 mils. 50 mils is in this jigger. 50 mils. And we are going to use coffee liqueur Kahlua. It's a coffee flavoured rum. Now, in other variations of this drink, you will use cream, just standard dairy heavy cream. But I like to use Irish cream because I like alcohol and I like stereotypes, so the more alcohol the better. So I'm going to use Irish cream. This is a very luxurious brand. This can be bought in Aldi or Lidl for €9. So a half shot in here. And I will just give it a small stir. One big ice cube will keep this freezing cold. There's a dude as well who really likes this drink, something Lebowski. He's from Ireland as well. He's frequently having the old White Russian. He drinks them with Barry White's dad while they listen to Stevie Wonder. Anyway, the White Russian to Barry White.